Do you want to figure out exactly how much Twitch will pay you? First thing is to log into your Twitch and go to your creator dashboard. Then click Analytics and go down to the revenue section where you'll see an option to click on Earnings. Twitch automatically shows you the last 30 days of activity, so click on the date and change this to a full month because you will be paid on a net 15 basis. What this means is that for everything you earn in a calendar month, 1st to the 30th, you will receive that revenue on the 15th of the following month. For example, if you made $200 in January, you'll receive that $200 on February 15th. This date can change depending on if it falls outside of business days, so Twitch may pay you a day or two sooner, so bear that in mind. If you scroll down and click View My Payouts, you can see a comprehensive breakdown of your revenue, like the tax withholdings estimate and payout fees. Twitch will only submit your payment once you hit the payout threshold of at least $50, so get streaming and make some moolah. If you'd like to learn how to become a Twitch partner, then click here, or for more tips and tricks, click here. Thanks for watching and happy streaming.